Are you looking to start a career working from home? From entry-level positions to experienced roles, remote work is becoming an increasingly popular choice for professionals across the globe. Today, we're going to delve into the process of finding and excelling in remote work, breaking it down into simple, easy-to-follow steps. First, start your journey by searching for entry-level remote jobs. Websites like LinkedIn, job boards, and company sites are your best bet. Keep an eye out for job listings that specify remote work or telecommuting. Once you've found a potential job, tailor your resume and your cover letter to match the position. Highlight your relevant experiences and skills, especially those related to remote work, such as self-discipline, time management, and proficiency in digital tools. Next, build an online presence. Updating your LinkedIn profile, connecting with professionals in your field, and showcasing your skills and interests can make you more visible to potential employers. Consider exploring the world of freelancing and gig economy platforms. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr are excellent for finding freelance projects that can help build your portfolio. For those just starting out, virtual internships and apprenticeships can provide invaluable experience and networking opportunities. Keep learning. Invest in online courses or certifications related to your field. Platforms like Coursera and Udemy offer a wide range of courses that can enhance your skills. Now let's talk about your workspace. A dedicated, organized place in your home can help you focus and increase your productivity. Effective time management and discipline are crucial in remote work. Establish a routine, set your daily work hours, and create a to-do list to stay on track. Communication is key in a remote setting. Develop clear and effective communication skills, be responsive, and maintain professionalism in your interactions. Tech savviness is also a must. Familiarize yourself with digital tools and software commonly used in remote work, such as video conferencing platforms and collaboration software. Join online communities, forums, and social media groups related to your industry. Networking can open doors to job opportunities and provide guidance from experienced professionals. Consider using platforms and websites that specialize in remote job listings like We Work Remotely, Remote.co, and FlexJobs. Showcase your work, skills, and accomplishments by creating an online portfolio or personal website. This can be a game changer when applying for remote jobs. Remember, working remotely often requires a high degree of self-discipline and motivation. Develop strategies to stay focused and productive, even without in-person supervision. Continuously learn and stay updated with industry trends and developments. This can make you more valuable as a remote worker. Lastly, manage your finances effectively, especially if you're working as a freelancer or on a contract basis. Consider setting aside funds for taxes and emergencies. In summary, finding and excelling in remote work involves a combination of job searching, skill building, networking, and self-discipline. With these tips, you're well on your way to building a successful career from the comfort of your own home.